Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Nastasia. If you're new here, I'd love it if you would subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to follow me over on Instagram and TikTok if you haven't done so as well. For today's video, I'm just sharing with you guys how you can upgrade your home on a budget without doing a full renovation. Sometimes we get so ahead of ourselves and we feel like we can't make small changes that will make a big impact, which is definitely not the case, especially when it comes to interior decorating. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you guys 8 things that I would recommend doing that will really make a big impact on your home. So without further ado, we can just jump right into it. So if you've been feeling like your home is outdated, but you don't want to do a full renovation or it just isn't in the budget, you don't have to worry. You'd be surprised how much you can completely transform a space with just a few affordable upgrades. As an interior designer, I've learned that it's usually the little details, not expensive renovations, that make your home feel custom, elevated, and intentional. So for tip number 1, create an accent wall. I've actually done this myself. When I was living in like a super small 1-bedroom rental, I did this accent wall in there, and when I ended up moving out, the apartment building kept the accent wall and actually told me that she was gonna start incorporating it in everybody's place because she's like, this makes a huge difference. And it truly does, and paint doesn't have to be super expensive. It's one of the easiest ways you can completely change a room is just paint. So instead of repainting the entire space, just choose one wall to highlight. This works beautifully behind a bed, fireplace, in a dining room, or even in an entryway. Don't feel limited to like super bold colors either. Soft olive green is what I used, and it was a huge hit. Sometimes simply adding a lime wash finish to one of the walls is enough to make the entire room feel like it has a complete makeover. The best part is whether you choose a traditional accent wall or a lime wash finish, paint remains one of the most affordable updates with one of the biggest visual impacts. Paint really makes it easy to achieve that high-end look on a budget, so I would highly recommend checking out some of those ideas. Number 2, invest in a statement area rug. We all know I'm a big rug girly. I love a good statement rug, and I'm also gonna let you know you do not need to spend a ton of money on a rug. I personally absolutely love like Rugs USA and different websites. I will link some of them down below that just have amazing rugs on a really budget-friendly price point, and I think that they are awesome. I have them all within my home. I love them just as much as a rug that came from a more expensive website. So definitely something you don't have to break the bank on. Honestly, if the room feels unfinished, the chances are your rug is either too small or you're missing a rug altogether. A large, high quality area rug instantly grounds your furniture and makes it feel intentional and luxurious. This is one area where I always recommend buying the largest size your budget allows because it completely changes the scale of the room. Even if you have a builder grade home, it will immediately feel more custom if you have a really nice rug. Number 3 is upgrading your door hardware and your hinges. This is something that I really want to do within my home because I feel like it's going to make a huge impact. Like, this is one of the most overlooked updates in any home. Replacing old brass or dated knobs with modern hardware instantly will make your room feel newer. If you're already replacing the handles, I highly recommend replacing the hinges at the same time. Matching hardware throughout the home will create a cohesive custom feel. Being consistent is one of the biggest interior design secrets that will instantly elevate things and make them look a lot more luxurious and expensive. The next thing that you need to add to your home is artwork. If you feel like your home doesn't have that like cozy vibe, that is what you're missing. You're missing artwork. Artwork can really tie everything together and also make it just feel more intentional of a space. Artwork is one of those elements that truly brings a room to life. It fills empty walls, creates a focal point, adds warmth and personality, and it instantly gives your home a more curated, high-end feel. One thing I notice in professionally designed homes that they always feel intentional when it comes to the walls. The artwork plays a huge role in achieving that polished look. The challenge is that artwork usually can be incredibly expensive. That's why I love canvasdiscount.com. They make it easy to create beautiful custom canvas prints as well as framed art pieces that look high-end while staying at an affordable price point. One of my favorite things about them is how customizable everything is. Rather than buying generic artwork, I can choose to make my home feel even more personal by turning some of my favorite photos of my niece and nephew into these beautiful canvas pieces. Not only do they fit seamlessly into my home design, but they also preserve memories that I will cherish for a lifetime. Having those personal touches are truly what makes a house feel like a home. So I love the website so much. They have so many different things. You can even create custom mugs, framed art, whatever you want. You can use your own photos and pick the sizing and the matting. It's honestly so great. So whether you're creating a gallery wall, looking for an oversized statement piece, or displaying meaningful family memories, custom artwork is one of the easiest ways to achieve that expensive designer look without the expensive designer price tag. So if you would like to create your own custom artwork, you can save 20% off site-wide by using my code Nostalgia20 at checkout. A huge thank you to them for sponsoring today's video. And now let's get back into some more budget-friendly ways to upgrade your home. Tip number 4 is painting outdated tile. Tile is so expensive, very messy, super difficult to change. Obviously it's tile, but all you have to do is get some paint and you can really transform the space. I did a room makeover quite some time ago, and all I did was paint the fireplace tiles in the home that I grew up in, and it made such a huge difference. Before you go spending thousands of dollars tearing out old tile, you should definitely consider just painting it. Fireplace, surrounds, bathroom tile, backsplashes, and even certain floor tile can also often be transformed using products specifically designed for tile. It's a fraction of the cost of replacing everything and can completely modernize a space while buying you several years before a full renovation. All you have to do is make sure that you properly prepare the space for paint and you use the proper paint needed, and you will have such a better look. Tip number 5 is super huge. If you just do this one thing and you just customize and upgrade your window treatments, oh my gosh, it can make such a big difference. So nothing will cheapen your room faster than undersized curtains or builder grade blinds. I cannot stress this enough. Installing full length drapery mounted higher and wider than your window instantly creates the illusion of taller ceilings and larger windows. I do this all the time. I also recommend investing in textured fabrics like linen blends because they naturally create a softer, more luxurious look. This is seriously one of the simplest ways to update a room, but literally just getting really nice curtains, hanging them as high as you can get to the ceiling will make the room look so much taller. Tip number 6, adding wainscoting or board and batten. This is one of my new favorite things. It adds so much character to the space. Architectural details like this will instantly make a home feel more expensive. So whether you choose traditional wainscoting, modern board and batten, or simple picture frame molding, these projects are surprisingly affordable and add so much character. It's one of those upgrades that makes people think the house was built that way from the beginning. I feel like this is perfect to add to a living room space or a bedroom, and definitely so affordable. Tip number 7, updating your light fixtures. This is one of the first things that I did when I got my house because I was like, hey, that is a huge focal point that your eyes are instantly drawn to, is the lighting, especially if it's old or cheap looking. So I would highly recommend switching that out. Especially if you have builder grade lighting, it's one of the first things I would recommend replacing. A beautiful pendant, chandelier, or modern flush mount becomes a focal point and completely changes the personality of the entire room. Don't forget spaces like hallways, laundry rooms, bathrooms, and entryways. Those smaller updates often make the biggest difference. And thanks to online retailers, there are so many designer inspired options available without designer prices. I will also include some of my favorite places to shop for lighting online that isn't thousands upon thousands of dollars. Tip number 8, and possibly my favorite, I definitely saved the best for last, but switching out your kitchen cabinet hardware literally does wonders for the home, especially if you don't want to pay for a kitchen renovation, which is so pricey. Think of the cabinet hardware as the jewelry for your kitchen or your bathroom. Changing outdated knobs and pulls is one of the quickest DIY projects you can tackle in an afternoon. Whether you prefer matte black, polished nickel, antique brass, or champagne bronze, fresh hardware immediately will modernize cabinetry without replacing the cabinets themselves. This is probably one of the highest impact updates you can do with your home with the smallest amount of money. I will also put some links to some places where I would recommend shopping for hardware that don't completely break the bank. Updating your home doesn't always mean spending tens of thousands of dollars. Focusing on finishes, architectural details, lighting, and thoughtful design choices, you can completely transform the way your home looks and feels while staying within budget. I'd love to know which of these updates would you try first. Let me know in the comments down below, and if you enjoy home design, budget-friendly makeovers, and interior design tips, don't forget to subscribe because I have plenty more videos like this coming soon. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!